Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. We have already talked about the three modes of material nature, the three modes in detail, and the fourth one, which is passion plus ignorance, and we have found out that what is above goodness and below ignorance. Above goodness is divine and below ignorance is demonic. At the expense of repeating myself, I would like to tell you that God has already declared in Srimad Bhagavad Gita that if you take 7 divine births or you take 3 demonic births successfully, then you can come back to Godhead. Sorry, he has said this in some other scripture and not in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. However, he has added a ringer in this declaration. He said that 7 divine births will bring the person back to Godhead, and 3 demonic births will bring the person to Godhead. 7 is more than 3, but the ringer lies there. A person who takes 3 demonic births has to be ultimately annihilated or killed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead in every birth. That is quite a ringer. How? I'll tell you in detail later, but now I'll tell you that a person, a living entity who progresses from goodness to divine births goes through the 7 Kundalini chakra to take them. And the person who takes the demonic births after going down from ignorance does not have any such application except that he or she has to be annihilated by Supreme Personality of Godhead. Here I would like to remind you that both living entities, those who go from goodness to divinity and those who go down from ignorance to demonic, are people who have made their own choices to do so, and not that they have been pushed to a particular spot. You cannot empathize or sympathize with any living entity who either pursues the demonic or the divine birth, because it is actually his or her own choice. Before discussing about the 3 demonic births, let me remind you that God is the father of all living entities. This has to be remembered before thinking about his killing his own child in every birth as a demon. How this happens, I will tell you later. But before doing that, let me tell you that 7 divine births and 3 demonic births are the choice of the living entity, and not only that, but these two find it very convenient for each to be in divine or demonic birth. Both living entities enjoy their life as divine people and as demonic people. They get used to the life there and they do not find themselves out of place in that atmosphere. Kindly let me know what you think of what I have told you. If you sincerely believe that I am talking some sense, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep reminding you of my other videos. Please pardon me for any error or mistake in my appearance, diction, spelling, grammar, etc. because when I am talking to you about such interesting and important spiritual and material subjects, I cannot concentrate on these frivolous matters. Till we meet in my next video, it is good day from TSV Raghavan.